Welcome to a journey beyond just seeing the world. Today, we're exploring how to travel sustainably. In a time when our planet faces significant environmental challenges, it's more important than ever to think about how we can explore the world responsibly. From reducing your carbon footprint to supporting local communities, sustainable travel is about making choices that protect and preserve the beauty of our planet, future generations. One of the most impactful decisions you can make as a sustainable traveler is how you get around. Eco-friendly transportation options like trains, buses, and bikes are much better for the environment than flying or driving. When possible, choose direct flights to reduce your carbon footprint and consider offsetting your emissions by supporting carbon offset programs. Once you've reached your destination, opt for walking, cycling, or using public transport to explore the area. It's not only sustainable, but also a great way to connect with the local environment and culture. Sustainable travel isn't just about protecting the environment. It's also about supporting the people and communities you visit. Choose to stay in locally owned accommodations like eco-lodges or guest houses, which often have a smaller environmental footprint and directly benefit the community. When shopping, buy local products and handmade crafts. Support artisans and traditional practice. Dining at family-run restaurants not only gives you an authentic taste of the culture, but also supports the local economy. By making mindful choices, you help preserve the cultural heritage and economic vitality of the places you visit. Another key aspect of sustainable travel is reducing waste, especially plastic. Single-use plastics are one of the biggest environmental threats we face, so start by packing reusable water bottles, shopping bags, and utensils. Say no to plastic straws and bags, and instead opt for sustainable alternatives. When you're out exploring, be mindful of your waste. Dispose of it properly, recycle when possible, and consider participating in local cleanup efforts. Every small action counts and helps protect the natural beauty of the places you visit. Where you stay can have a significant impact on the environment. Look for eco-friendly accommodations that prioritize sustainability, such as hotels and lodges with green certification. These places often use renewable energy sources, reduce water consumption, and implement waste management practices. Some may even offer organic food options grown on site. By choosing eco-conscious places to stay, you support businesses that are committed to reducing their environmental impact and promoting sustainable practice. Interacting with nature and wildlife is one of the joys of travel, but it's essential to do so mindfully. Always keep a respectful distance from animals,